Not really sure what you're looking for. The cover is held onto the console with 4 screws. And those 4 screws go into the bosses. If you snap those bosses off that the screws go into, you might try gluing it back together again, but it sounds more like you're going to have real problems. You might be able to disassemble the base and glue something on there that is more of a backer and lets you put those screws into something solid. But I'm really willing to go the extra length to make something work. But unless you're as tenacious and willing to put up with crap as I am, might be better to just buy a new console. They are available. I just didn't want to. And I'm stubborn, so I didn't do it. But if you busted those screws out, there's not a whole lot of structure there to work with. There's the steel plate underneath that I fastened the lower half of the console to with those 3 pop rivets. But that's pretty much the limit of what I could do. I mean, I'm not going to be able to go in there and build up anything underneath to hold the top on. Well, Kurt, unfortunately, looking at the cover, went out and looked at the truck in the previous part of this video, and if you busted off the hinge mounts, and mine is held in with 4 screws, if you've broken out the mounts for the 4 screws, other than gluing something back in, and that's going to be pretty shaky, I'm afraid you're just going to have to go buy a console. Sorry, man. Wish I could help.